Hey, what's up guys? Spencer here. Today I've got this really cool, actually amazing JVC SVHS VCR to show you. This thing is ridiculous. It looks really cool and it has a bunch of really cool features. The model number of it is HR-S6900U, and it will play back SVHS and VHS tapes, and it's also got an S-video input and output for recording and playback. But let's go ahead and talk about it. On the back of it, you've got your power input right here, audio input and output. The input is for recording, the output is for playback, and then composite input and S-video input, and composite output and S-video output, which S-video will be the better resolution. And then you've got a tuner input and output right here for connecting cable, and then you have AV CompuLink setup and RA edit cable box connection. And this VCR was made in Japan. On the front panel of it, you've got a few different options. Right here is your power button, menu button, family message if you want to use that, hyper bass so you can turn up the bass of the audio, select and channel set, and then you've got stop, eject, play, record, pause, and then a jog dial as well. And you've also got two doors down here that open up. Behind this one you've got a microphone input, SVHS input, composite input, and then an audio input and a remote pause input right there. And then over here you have a bunch of other editing options. You've got insert, SP, EP for setting the speed, timer, A-dub, TV video for setting the control, RA edit, and out, start, and SVHS. And it's even still got this plastic cover right here, pretty much like it's new. It's got a little bit of wear on top, but this thing is in very good condition for how old it is. Getting it connected is really easy. Just plug in the red, white, and yellow cable to the output, and we're just going to use the composite instead of the S-video because we don't have any SVHS tapes. Most of those would be recorded, and it's not going to improve the resolution of a standard VHS tape. Once you've got it all set up, you'll be able to get a display to your TV, and this is the original remote control for it. Got a few different options. You can use the jog dial on here or on the unit. You've got channel and volume controls, power, display. You can turn on and off the display. So in the menus you can set the time, control different functions, and then you can adjust how the display on the screen is shown. With the jog dial you can do frame by frame playback, and you can control how fast the frames move forward, and then you can even go 3x speed it looks like. You can go 2x speed, so yeah, this thing gives you a lot of control over the speed. That's the playback for this awesome SVHS JVC VCR. This thing is ridiculous, and even if you don't have SVHS tapes, this thing just looks really spectacular. It's got these really cool dark wood panels for the sides, and then the front, this thing just looks really cool. But if you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it while you can from us at fortheload.net. You can order over the phone or you can get it on our online store. Thanks for watching.